In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generator. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Google Gemini 2.0 is a powerful tool for creating stunning images from your prompts. Whether you're a content creator, a designer, or simply someone who appreciates beautiful visuals, this tool can be a game changer. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to Google. Simply type in Google Gemini in the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see a variety of search results popping up, and you'll want to click on the first link that appears, which will direct you to the Google Gemini page. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate through its features. Here's a little tip. If this is your first time, take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make your experience much smoother. Now, the next step is crucial. Look for the section where you can select the type of image generator you want to use. Make sure to select the Flash option. This is essential for the features we will be exploring today. Selecting this option allows you to access the full capabilities of Gemini to create vibrant, dynamic images. Once you have selected the Flash option, it's time to create your image. You will see a plus button on the interface. Click on that to unveil a drop-down menu. This is where all the fun begins. From this menu, you'll find various options to explore, but for now, let's focus on creating an image. When you click on Create Image, you'll be directed to a new area where you can specify the elements of your image. This is where your imagination will come to life. You'll want to describe the image you want created. For example, you might type in Whimsical Valley. The more detailed your description, the better the outcome will be, so don't be shy. Be creative and let your ideas flow. After you've entered your description, sit back and relax while Google Gemini works its magic. It may take a moment, but you will be presented with a stunning, customized image based on your input. The uniqueness of the visuals presented to you can be quite exciting, so feel free to explore different descriptions and styles. Additionally, if you want, you can go back and refine your description or even try generating entirely different concepts. The beauty of this tool is that it encourages experimentation. You might create a peaceful landscape one moment and a vibrant cityscape the next. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Google Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generator to create stunning images with ease. It's an incredibly powerful tool that can serve a variety of purposes, from personal projects to professional work. Using it will not only enhance your creativity, but also provide a unique way to visually communicate your ideas. As we wrap up this tutorial, don't forget to give yourself a pat on the back for trying something new today. Technology can seem daunting at times, but with tools like Google Gemini, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support makes a world of difference and helps create more content just like this in the future. Thanks for watching and happy image generating.